If you're experiencing subscription errors on CrowdStrike Falcon, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your subscription status. Log into your CrowdStrike Falcon account and navigate to the subscription management section. Verify that your subscription is active and that there are no outstanding payments or issues. Step 2. Review user permissions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update billing information. If your subscription is active but still showing errors, check your billing information. Make sure that your payment details are current and that there are no issues with your payment method. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause errors. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log back into your CrowdStrike Falcon account to see if the error persists. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem continues after following the previous steps, reach out to CrowdStrike support. Provide them with details about the error message and the steps you've already taken for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve subscription errors on CrowdStrike Falcon efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.